Cookie fam. We're gonna open this and now something! The spiration. Okay, this is the hardest to make, but it's okay.
I can do it if you want it.
So I got her legs like that. Yes. Right.
Can I do that and stop?
There it is. Also, there it is. The crown. This is pops out like Twilight Sparkle.
Because we got Twilight Sparkle and we got the popping of crown too. Plus.
Also, this is a dress with apple jack leather because Mama she's really glad.
No, this is good. You can customize it, right?
Customizing.
Can I do the Applejack?
This is we're going to customize, but not the crown. Is
Oh, I know why Applejack is stuck. Oh, he's here.
I say this is Princess Kaden Applejack.
And it comes with 2 gems.
And 3 accessories dress that you can dress her.
She perfect, already perfect as rare.
And also this is a heart gemstone.
And his cutie mark looks pretty. His cutie mark.
And
Cutie mark in the butt. And the necklace.
the raffle chair. Let's she will be gorgeous like Princess Kaden. Will be twins.